Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cash Maestro. And if you are here for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. And on today's video, I'm introducing you all to Bybit. Yes, if you are a trader, you are going to be sticking with Bybit and not Binance, because what I'm going to be showing you in today's video is going to be amazing. Bybit have these incentives they give to their traders and which Binance doesn't do. Okay, not like Binance doesn't give any incentive, but trust me, after what you're going to see today, you're going to stick with Bybit. So first, you go to your app store or your Google store and you download Bybit. Okay, I know most of us know how this works. Just type Bybit and download Bybit, which is this. So it's already downloaded in this phone, so I'm going to open now. So when I open it, this is the first interface. So you sign up. If you're a first timer, you sign up. In fact, even if you've had a Bybit account, it's very advisable, because now most of the incentives they are giving now, it's to new accounts. Okay, so it is very, very necessary you sign up like a new account. You create a new account and because most of their incentives now are coming from their recent accounts, their new accounts, and the new accounts too have some other advantages over the older accounts. So I'll be dropping a link that you'll be using to sign up in the description below. Okay, so you fill in your email. There's a Cash Maestro at gmail.com, and I put in my password. So after you've signed up, this is what your interface looks like. Okay, this is your home. Here is your market, here is your derivatives, here is your trade. If you use Binance, you will know that this is not even any much difference. There is no much difference from this your Bybit interface now and your Binance. So it's also very, very easy for you to navigate. Okay, it will be very, very easy for you to navigate. Almost everything in your Binance is here, and this is one of your top 5 trading platforms. You can also check this up. This is your one of your top 5 trading platforms. So it's not like they are here to play, or it's just any other random cryptocurrency wallet that just comes out and goes with your money. No, everything here is tracked based on your database and all. Okay, so this is let's go to home. Let's complete our registration, and you see our identity verification. The key thing you always do whenever you sign up with any crypto wallet is to make sure you are verified. Okay, so we are still unverified, so we are going to go ahead and verify our account. And okay, so we are going to pick a region, and we're in Nigeria. So if you're in Kuwait, you can pick Kuwait. If you're in Ghana, you can pick Ghana. North Korea, South Africa, anywhere in the world, you will see you see what to pick. Okay, so I'm using either ID card, passport, driver's license, resident permit, BVN. All right, so I'm going to be using my BVN. So I'm saying copies of an original document, scanned copies of or selfies are not acceptable. Okay, so continue. So here is the country. I'm still going to select Nigeria, and now they're asking for my BVN. Okay, so my data is accepted. Voila. So that's it for the first verification status. So we are going to the second verification status. Okay, so you guys should ride with me. Successfully completed. So that's it, and we are going for level 2. That's if we want to. But right now, let's check if we are verified already. Level 1 verified. That's cool. So level 2 verified. Okay, here is proof of address. You can always come back and do that later, okay? As long as you're already verified in level 1, you are good to go. So now, when you just create an account on Bybit and you make an initial deposit of $200, they are going to be giving you $25. Isn't that amazing? $25 deposit bonus that you can be using to trade. I know most of our traders in the house will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, most of our traders knows how this works. Okay, where you are trying to trade and you also have a deposit bonus of a certain amount, you cannot withdraw that money, but you can also use that money to trade. And if, let's say, you made a deposit and you are getting a deposit bonus of $100 extra, if you trade with that $100 extra and you're making $10,000 extra, it is not Bybit's business. It is in their terms and conditions to allow you to withdraw that money. So that money is withdrawable, but not the bonus. Okay, so that money is withdrawable. So that's the first thing I'm bringing to you people's notice today. And then if you like, when you download Bybit now, when you go to this home, that's here now, if you check for the campaigns, Bybit, they are celebrating their 4 years anniversary. Okay, they are celebrating their 4 years anniversary. So if you look up at this gear up for the celebrations, you are going to see some amazing things they are doing there. So for our traders in the house, you can actually leverage on this. Instead of trading on Binance and just trading to make profit, why not also trade and wish yourself luck by trying to win a gift? They have 200,000 USDT in bonuses, like ongoing. Do you understand? So the only thing you do here is you register. After you register, then you start trading. So when you are trading, it will be calculating your whole P&L for you and all. So you see, when you want to start trading, user must register for an event and have at least 200 USDT of assets in their derivative wallet. Now, this is just you depositing money and keeping it in the derivative wallet. And most of us here, we have like funds that we just stack up in Binance, and it's not doing anything for us. It's just more like sports trading. It's not doing anything. It's just there. You can actually put it here and use it to run for this. Not like they are going to touch the money or anything. You are only using the money to be eligible for this trading tournament. Okay, and what let's say luck is on your side and you win all these gifts, like these amazing gifts. We are talking about iPhone 14 Pro Max and a BMW. Depends. Bybit can reach you anywhere in the world. Trust me on that. Okay, Bybit can reach you anywhere in the world. I've already secured my spot on my other account, so this is not something you should actually dull on. Okay, so you can just go here and read the terms and conditions of everything, and then check if it's what you are willing to put in your money into. But I'm promising you, this is so worth it. Okay, this is so worth it. So if you are seeing value in this video, give it like, share, and subscribe. Don't also forget to hit the post notification bell so you don't miss my videos anytime updates like this drop. And I'll be dropping extra videos of other promotions that Bybit is running that you people will not want to actually miss out on. Okay, and for our copy traders, you are going to stick around with me in the next video where I'll be showing you guys the benefits of staying on Bybit and what you stand to gain as a copy trader on Bybit. Like, trust me, this is out of this world. Like, Binance is supposed to be doing something like this, but I don't think they've actually thought of something like this. Bybit is really taking this crypto journey another way forward. Like, they are really taking this out of this crypto sphere that we are in. So if you want to like create a Bybit account, you can check the description link below, and you will see the link. I'll be dropping the links there, so you can use it for your registration. And it will also help me to monitor and check how you are doing with your accounts. And also, when other updates drop too, it will reach you first, because I'll be reaching out to my subscribers first before any other person. Okay, so thanks for watching, and stick with me as we make this money together. Cheers to profits.